Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to top up your Netflix using a gift voucher or code. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up your web browser and we're going to be searching for Netflix. And once your Netflix page loads up, we're going to be coming up to the top right and we're going to be hovering over our name on the right. You should see all current users and your currently logged in user. What we're going to be doing is coming to the account section then down here at the bottom. Click into this and you'll be brought to the account section where you can see the email link to your account. You can see the PayPal currently linked. You can see how much current wallet you have. And then you should see a box option down here for a promo code. Now we're going to be entering our promo code in here, which I have on my phone right now, and I'm going to be entering it. Once you have your code entered, we're going to be clicking the accept button right here. You're going to get a little pop-up saying how much you currently have, and you're going to have to click accept one more time for it to be accepted. And then your gift code should be accepted. Now you're told it's not going to be added instantly. What you want to do is click refresh. You might have to wait a couple of minutes before it's fully added into your account. And as you can see right now, I currently have €53 on my Netflix account. It was 26 before, so our money has been added in here. And if you want a way to get free Netflix codes, I'm going to be leaving a card on screen to my previous video where I show you how to watch premium ads and get free gift codes. This is going to be limited to Belgium and the Netherlands, so outside of there it's not really going to work. But if this affects you, be sure to check that out. Anyway guys, it's that easy to enter gift cards in Netflix. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.